guys, welcome back to day 3 of Louise week. So I'm just going to have some foundation here, and this is the Revolution Conceal and Define foundation in 0.7. Now for this look, I'm just going in with this dark brown eyebrow pencil, and I'm just drawing out what I'm going to do first, just so that I do have like a good guide and I know the areas that I'm doing in certain colours. This look is like a creepy pumpkin, so I'm just drawing the mouth. Haven't done a pumpkin before, so wanted to change it up a little bit. I'm just going in with some orange Snazaroo face paint, and I'm just putting that in around the mouth here. So we're just putting this orange in all the bits around all these gaps and stuff. Now I'm just going in with some black face paint by Snazaroo again, and I'm just going in with a light hand here because I did want to like smudge it out and make it all smoky. So I'm just doing the black mouth here. And I'm just laying down some paint here, then I do go over it with some black eyeshadow and start smudging it out and making it a wee bit more creepy and stuff. Just come around the nose and that eye area as well. I wanted to make this one like a one-eyed pumpkin, so only one eye would be open and the other eye would be closed. Now I'm just going in with a beige face paint by Snazaroo, and I'm just doing a little bit of detail here, just some smudging and some blending and stuff, just giving it that sort of tonal effect. I know pumpkins aren't like flat orange, so I wanted to do some like detailing here and stuff as well, just making it like creepy and smoking it out a little bit. And I'm just going over everything with some black eyeshadow. I'm just going around all this black now with a black eyeliner pen, just to make it a little bit more bold and to stand out a little bit more. Now I'm just going in with a gold Snazaroo face paint, and I'm just doing some little effects here, just with a little bit of gold. I'm just doing some like shadow and stuff, just so it doesn't look as flat on the face a little bit. Just wanted to add a little bit of dimension here. just doing a dark smoky eye, and then I do put one of the Be Perfect glitters over the top of it. Now I'm just going in with another Be Perfect glitter liner, and I'm just adding that as, just adding some glitter and stuff down the pumpkin's face as well. Just try to jazz it up a little bit and make it a little bit different. I really liked the effect that this gave, so I did start to put a little bit on like the black mouth and the eye and stuff like that as well. I'm just putting this glitter over the top of this eye look, and that's about as far as I'm going with that eye. Didn't want anything too extreme or anything. I wanted it to be quite weird and quite creepy that the one eye was open. And that is this look. I hope you guys love it. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.